Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to Contacts then, and tap on More icon. Here click on Settings, and select the block numbers. And you can either block all unknown colors by using this first switcher, and from now on all unknown colors just will not be able to reach you anyhow, so you will not receive any calls or messages from them. But then you can also add a number manually. Just tap on Add a Number, and here provide the particular number, tap on Block, and that's it. So basically that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.